Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is a fresh out from Joan Altres. It's called Flagship PLR Premium Training. Put that all aside. It's Find Your Ideal Business Niche PLR product. And you can even see in the video here, it's more of a black and white kind of thing. It's not the flashy rah of some of the things that are made for PLR, because this is made as a course to be sold on Udemy. And on Udemy, it's gotten 4.6 out of 5 rating. So very well, lots of information, lots of content to this. And it's on a $7 PDF. It's 75% off the $77 regular price. It's $19.25 during this launch. You'll also see when you click the link in the video description, it takes you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There's about 4 other products, also 75% off, that you can check out. They're in the same kind of realm. Flagship PLR, really comprehensive kind of PLR products. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you what I mean. So finding your ideal business niche, obviously, there we go here. 12 modules, 48-part video course. So this is a video course. This isn't just a PDF. You'll see it all listed underneath, and I'll let you check through that when you want. Finding a niche, that's pretty much universal, evergreen. Everybody's got to do it. To figure out what they're doing, where they're going, what they're going to go into business. So, sorry, I'm trying to scroll down to the part where they show you the different modules here. A little bit more. There's the instructor, some great testimonials. Here we go. So you can, I'll let you look through all this, but you can see here each one of these modules has individual ones underneath it, and some of these, they're all about five minutes, give or take. Choosing a niche, you can see here there are 14 different individual parts about different parts of figuring out the niche, tools, niche advice. You can see this goes into very great detail. This is not a $7 PDF at all. So the let's see if I can scroll to the bottom here. Materials with the course. There's a sales video, and here we go. You get the audio files, the transcripts, the course materials. You get all of that. It may not be quite as glitzy as the made for PLR, but the meat of it, the actual content that's included, is way more. So check this out. You can click the link. Again, 75% off. It's $19.25 if I remember correctly. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So you get the modules, the audio files, the sales video, the course materials, and instantly download it, and away you go. The one thing I'll caution is you may need to do a bit more work on creating the pages. So you're in a normal PLR kind of offering that's $7, $10, that kind of thing. They'll have a sales page, they'll have a sales video, they'll have a thank you page where you get it from, and they might have a quick 5-article email things, maybe a little giveaway thing that's about 3,000 words. It's about a 10,000 word standard $7 to $10 PLR kind of thing. So this is not that. It's 48 videos, really goes into great depth. So this is much more a serious course, and the kind of thing that you'll be able to sell as something you're proud of, as opposed to, I got this little thing over here. This will be a major, it's her flagship PLR. That's why. So I'm going to say, let's come out of this, actually. Let's go back up to about, it's not there, but just above this. Flagship training course. So here you go. Get access. You get to download it all away. And this is something that you'll be able to use. And you can say you partner with Alex and use his name and credentials on your sales pages and course. So you're going to put together the whole thing. Again, $19.25. Links in the video description. Take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You can read a bit more there and click the product box and come over. You can read about some of the other offerings. Maybe I'll give you just 10 seconds to quickly run through. There we go. So a couple of the upgrade offers. Here's one called Entrepreneurship Start Your Business. That's at 75% discount. Kidpreneur Kickstart. That's at 75% discount. Procrastination Reversal, 75% discount. And Customer Service Support and Experience. That's a 75% discount too. So you can check it all out. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com, and then click the product box, and you can grab this whole thing for $19.25. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Find your ideal business niche PLR. Fresh out today. Enjoy.